You have never actually ever seen your own face. Every version that you've seen of yourself has been a reflection. This is the exact principle behind reality creation. The reason why your reality isn't aligned with your truest, deepest desires is not because you're not trying hard enough. It's not even because you're not placing enough effort. It is because of the perception you have in how you experience it. Because if you were truly seeing reality to the full capacity that it was, you would choose differently. The human eye sees less than 1% of light. That means there is a potential 99% of what we don't even see. And in order to change your reality so it aligns with your heart's truest desires, you must shift how you see it. Today I'm going to take you through how you can do that. There is an ancient teaching that says there are two versions of you. There is the version of you that is continuously scanning for evidence, seeking validation, needing proof before it takes action. It is limiting itself even by seeing what other people are doing within your industry. It is saying to you that that is the limit. However, your perception is skewed by your identity. The other version of you doesn't require validation. It doesn't require seeing what the evidence is in your industry of what is capable for you. It doesn't seek validation before it believes and before it moves. It moves with a level of certainty that is well beyond ever seeking evidence. That version of you lives in alignment with your absolute desired reality. In order to shift your perception from the one who is seeking evidence to the one who can move in alignment with your greatest reality, you must shift your perspective. What you call your experience of your reality, of your business, of yourself, is actually a perception of the experience. It's not reality itself. And who you are is shaped by the identity you are holding onto. You see, most people will carry an outdated identity like a thorned crown on their head, causing so much suffering, and fight to let it go. The truth is, there is an authentic expression of who you are, and it is the reason why you've come to this life. That version of you is truly connected to the divine from your heart and every cell within you. Most of the time, people are carrying that outdated identity, wearing it as a crown they won't let go of. And other times they are putting on a mask that doesn't truly show who they are. And it is the moment that you place that mask down and you allow the most authentic, expressed, and empowered version of you that life begins to rearrange itself. You begin to wear the truth of who you are, your true identity, the one that you were born to lead with, as a radiating crown from your very heart through your mind and every cell. That version of you has the power to create the desired reality you have more effortlessly. However, you must put the mask down. You must take off that former identity, the one that is keeping you stuck at the level you are now, in order to release and embody the one who you truly and most authentically are in your power. You release the resistance. You step into the most elevated, prosperous, abundant, free, loving, kind, expressed, impactful version of you. The version of you that calls in the direct match to all of your highest qualities. That experience takes a level of self-leadership that is aligned to your true potential. In order to be aligned to your true potential, you must choose to move in alignment with your most truest expanded potential of identity. You see, most people are limited by the identity that they place themselves in, and hence why they keep having the repeated experiences and wondering, why isn't this happening for me? The truth is, you're not stuck. You've outgrown the reality, the experience that you have been having until now. And the time has come for you to elevate your identity, which then reflects back to you an elevated experience. The truth is, you don't need more effort. We have the option to choose differently. The two versions of you is the outdated identity and the new identity that is calling you forward. That new identity is aligned to the desires your heart and your soul truly desires. Imagine what you can create from that level of identity, but you must choose differently. You must choose to move in alignment with your desired reality. And that means moving with certainty beyond seeking the evidence. The moment you make that shift, your reality will begin to reconfigure around you.